dirt.
Okay, so here we go. Currently, Sarav and the Cool Guys 1, Minecraft Lads 2.
Not the lad.
Andy is up. Your word. Oh, you're in trouble.
Oh no.
You're in
Wait,
trouble.
no, Andy,
Okay,
how are you
here we
gonna
go.
know? We
Here
like
we go.
trade in Andy for like anyone else.
Me?
Anyone.
Got it?
Yeah.
Got it? All right, it's not super hard, but it's funny. Go.
Typo. Blutchinson.
Angry.
Blutchinson. Unibrow. Bushy brows. I don't know.
You know there's
Anger disorder.
Bushy brows. Armless.
What?
Derp. He's a derp. Betrayed. Spider-Man. Machamp.
What the heck?
It's totally Machamp.
Gloves?
Superhero. Superhero. Hero.
not close, but you're.
Heroic. Heroic. Save.
Boss.
Superhero.
Cheater.
Cheater.
Opposite.
Villain. Villain. Yeah.
No, it's not.
No,
It's
it's
not.
Villain. Yeah.
Super villain.
Take cheating. Dead end.
He wrote opposite, which means that he gets 1/2 point.